Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this week. I wish you all a good week. And in this video, we will talk about Solana again. It's a bit difficult to analyze Solana right now because over the last couple of days, it has been I would say the price action has been fairly weird. Like it's been consolidating a bit here in this area between $55 and then like $61/$60. You could say like there's a bit of this action going on, a little bit of triangle action going on right here, as you can see, which technically is true, but in the end, I never really trust market structures like this on the 1 hour time frame. So in general, Solana is just fairly neutral right now. Which is actually pretty, I mean, that's good news, all right? Because Solana has been very strong, and the fact that it hasn't even dropped down to the 28 EMA and the 0.236 FIB down here at $55 is bullish, all right? That means that Solana doesn't even need that much support to stay up there. So in general, just to start off this analysis, I do still expect Solana to reach that level. Reach those targets around $70. All right, I've told you all this before, but I'll repeat it for everybody that hasn't heard it yet. But I think the first price target really is $67. That's technically the lowest next price target. But with the momentum that we've seen from Solana, I would say $70 really is the main target, and that's achievable. And then afterwards, we will talk about $75 and $76. That's a possibility, but that does depend a little bit on how Solana reacts to $70. So that's still what we'll have to see. But overall, like I said, I am bullish. I mean, right now, this is what I expect. There are different... Like there are a couple of ways Solana could get there, because right now, I mean, Solana is still very strong. The open interest, as you can see, is still high. It has even been growing a bit over the course of today, this Monday. But what is also true is that Bitcoin, sure, it's pretty strong right now, but I wouldn't be surprised if we see a bit of a drop, a bit of a pullback down towards the levels around 36,000. So even though I do expect this for Solana, I think short term it's actually a little bit more likely that Solana will consolidate here, will range here, potentially drop down to $54, potentially drop down all the way to $50 and $48. All right, which is a very strong support level. So that wouldn't even be a problem, at least not technically. If you're in a trade right now and that's your liquidation price, that's a problem. But I think that's more likely. All right, of course, I could be wrong, and Solana breaks above $61 right now and gets up towards the price target at 70. That's a possibility. But given what we're seeing right now, like the open interest going up, but over the last week being relatively stable, Bitcoin being bullish, but also ranging / having a little bit more downside potential right here. That just leads me to believe that, all right, Solana is bullish technically, but it is also probably most likely that we'll see a bit of a pullback, consolidation first before heading for that next price target. Because you should not forget, I mean, right now we're at around $60. Which is very high, right? If you compare that to the last prices, that was basically the prices during the Terra Luna crash. And if we're going up to $70, we're going up to bull market levels. All right, for Solana, I mean it's a bit different, the bull market levels, but still very bullish. All right, so I do think Solana can get higher, but you should not forget that. We're nearing some very, very strong resistance levels. And now that Bitcoin is also not showing that much momentum, it's more likely to get a bit of a pullback before continuation. But those are my thoughts. Those are my thoughts on Solana this morning. If you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. Apart from that, I also have my own premium and signal group. If that sounds interesting, links to that will be down in the description or the pinned comment. And you'll find you'll be able to find out some more information about that. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great week and bye.